Alright guys, so what we're going to do here is we're going to change the printer cartridge of a Laser Monochrome printer. And this one's from Brother. So what you're going to do here is lift the top up, and then we just pull this part out. So this is where the door is. So we want to get to this part here. So that pops out there. And then to get the actual toner and drum out, you're going to press this. We want to come a little closer. Press this green thing down. That's going to unlock it. And then when you squeeze it together, you can work it out of the unit. So this one's totally out of juice. And what we're going to do is we're going to get a new one here. So we've got a new one here we bought at Staples for about $80. And actually I don't want to put this down on the ground, so I don't want anything to leak. So I'm just going to put it down on there. So we're going to pop off those. You see there's an inventory control tag in the bottom of the box because printers are a little bit expensive. And it says drum unit corona wire cleaning is required every time you replace the toner cartridge. So basically what it says to do is you want to move it back and forth 5 or 6 times just to get the ink moving a little bit. And then we're going to open this package. It's already got a notch here, so you don't need any scissors. You can just rip it right across. And we're going to take it out here. So this is the new unit, and this is the old one. And you'll see that this is the cartridge, and then the casing is the drum. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take this out of the drum. So we're going to hold that down. It's going to slide right out here. And you see this is the old one, but it's still got some stuff on it. So you want to be careful with that. And we move this back and forth, okay? We're going to put the new one in. Just keep it down there. And then what we're going to do is take this part off, just the protective covering. I'm going to slide it into the drum unit, and that's going to snap right into place. And before we put it in, we have to get this corona wire going. So we're going to slide this back and forth a few times. Now the corona wire, it's really important because if you don't do this, you're going to have a line printed up your page. So it is important to do that several times. Once we've got that done, we're going to stick this back in the drum and the new unit. And there you go. It's in nice and tight. Boom. Boom. Baby, that's how you do it. That's how you change a printer cartridge. I hope that video was helpful. If it was, leave a comment below. Let me know. And we'll see you on the next video.